Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Nick Jr. on Firestick step by step clearly. To activate Nick Jr. on Firestick, begin by turning on your Firestick device. Ensure your Firestick is connected to the internet. From the home screen, navigate to the search function located at the top left corner. Type in Nick Jr. using the on-screen keyboard. Select the Nick Jr. app from the search results. Click on the Get or Download button to install the app. Once the installation is complete, locate the Nick Jr. app on your home screen. Open the Nick Jr. app by selecting it. You will be prompted to sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you need to create a new account, follow the on-screen instructions. After logging in, look for the activation code displayed on your TV screen. Now, open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Visit the Nick Jr. activation website as prompted by the app. Enter the activation code from your TV screen into the designated field on the website. Follow any additional instructions provided. Once the activation process is complete, return to your Firestick. The Nick Jr. app will refresh and grant you access to its content. You are now ready to enjoy your favorite Nick Jr. shows on Firestick. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.